Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Coinbase connection error on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Your Coinbase connection issue occasionally arises for users using the application to buy and sell crypto. If there is any server issue going on your Coinbase account, then you might not be able to connect with Coinbase. So in that case, here are some troubleshooting methods you could try and follow. The first thing to do is to make sure that you switch your mobile phone off and turn it back on again. Simply press the power button on your mobile device and make sure to turn off your device. Now, switch on your mobile device again, and the next thing to do is to check for Coinbase app updates. If you're using an outdated version of Coinbase app, then you might not be able to go through your Coinbase account. So in that case, open up your app store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Coinbase in the search box and perform your search. If you see an update button right next to your Coinbase app, it means that you have available updates you could download. Simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of Coinbase application on your mobile device. Once you have the updated version, it might be able to help you fix your connection error on Coinbase. Once the update is completed, tap on Open to launch the app open, and now check if your Coinbase account is being able to connect or not. If you're using a mobile data, you can also try switching between Wi-Fi or vice versa whenever you're going through a connection error on your Coinbase app. Another thing you could do is to try updating your device's operating system. Simply go and tap Open Settings, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Select the Software Update button from the General tab and check if there is any updates available for your operating system. If there is any, go ahead and update to the latest software update and see if that fixes the issue by opening up your Coinbase app. If that doesn't work for you, then the next thing to do is to go back to Settings. From your Settings page, scroll down and tap General again. Tap on iPhone storage from the General option and wait until the iPhone storage loads. Go ahead and select Coinbase from the list of the apps displayed on this page and give it a tap. Tap on Offload App and select Offload App one more time. Once you do that, you'll be able to see an option that says Reinstall App. Give it a tap and wait until the application gets reinstalled on your iPhone. Soon after the app gets reinstalled, you might be able to get through this situation. Open up Coinbase app and see if that fixes. If that still doesn't work, you can simply try opening Coinbase app through a mobile web browser. Sometimes there might be some temporary issues going on with the application version of Coinbase, so in that case, you can go ahead and log into Coinbase with a web browser. Open up Safari on your iPhone and in the URL box type in www.coinbase.com. Tap on the Go button at the bottom right and make sure to log into your Coinbase account on a web browser. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your Coinbase connection issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through Coinbase connection error on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.